Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a field in Airtable step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web version, but it works the same way in the desktop app. Open Airtable and go to the home screen. You'll see your list of workspaces and bases. Click on an existing base to open it or create a new one. Once you click on a base, it'll open and display your tables in a grid view. If your base has multiple tables, select the table where you want to add the new field. Click on the Table tab. You'll find it at the bottom of the interface or in the left sidebar, depending on your view. Once you select it, the table's grid view will display with your existing field headers across the top. Now, to add a new field, look to the far right of those field headers. You'll see a plus icon there. Click it. A field type selection menu will appear. Choose the field type you want from the menu. Airtable gives you options like single line, text, number, single select, and date. Click on the type that fits what you need. Once you select it, the field configuration options will appear. You'll see a field name input box at the top of the customization panel. Enter a name for your field here. You can also add a description if you want and configure any settings specific to the field type you chose. Once you've got everything set up, click the Create Field button at the bottom of the configuration panel. Your new field will immediately appear as a column header in your table, positioned to the right of your existing fields. Here's a useful tip. If you need to make changes later, just click the down arrow on the field header. From there, you can edit the field settings, rename it, hide it, or delete it. You can also hide the field in specific views through the view settings if you want to keep it out of certain table layouts. And that's how it's done.